We are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kapep Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So welcome to another episode of Kape at Kwento. We are on series 63. Tonight we'll talk about something close to the heart, the strength in starting over, how to be how to rebuild stronger after a loss or change. So alam nyo yung minsan parang ang hirap magsimula uli. But tonight, we will uncover how every ending can be the seed of a new beginning. So grab your coffee and let's share this moment together. I want to share a simple story. There was a woman who thought she had everything figured out. She has a good job, stable yung routine niya, clear plans, then suddenly life changed. She lost her work, and for that moment, she felt like she lost her dignity too. I mean, identity. At first, it felt like failure. But slowly, she realized that losing that job gave her space to rediscover herself. Yung passion niya, saka yung strength niya. She started over. This time, not just for survival, but to build something meaningful. So that's the beauty of starting over. It may not look like it at first, pero it can be the doorway to something greater. So mga kakwento, let me ask you, have you ever experienced a moment when everything felt like it was falling apart? Maybe nawalan ka ng trabaho, or maybe a relationship ended, or plans didn't turn out the way you hoped. Take a second to think about it. So now imagine, what if that ending was really the beginning of something greater? What if that pain was the push you needed to rebuild stronger, wiser, and with more courage than before? Kasi sometimes the very thing na we thought would break us is the same thing that builds us. So starting over is not a weakness, it's courage. It means you are brave enough to rise again, to try again, and to dream again. Yes, rebuilding takes time. It takes patience and faith, but every step you take is a proof of your strength. And who knows, maybe your story of starting over will be the inspiration someone else needs. So tonight, I want you to hold on to the truth. Every ending carries the seed of a new beginning. So remember, life may break us at times, but starting over can make us unshakable. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight. I hope you learned something from my go live. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more about the business, please direct message me or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.